Hey guys, Robbie here with another Divi Engine quick tip for you. Using our Divi Form Builder plugin. Did you know that you don't need to be stuck with these boring text notifications when submitting forms in Divi? It's super easy to make them great, just like this one on the screen with Divi Form Builder. All you need to do is build the layout in your Divi library and assign it in the form settings. Let's go take a look exactly how. Here I am in the back end of my Divi site, and you'll see my page here with my Form Builder module on there. You go in and you edit that and you scroll down to notices. Now here you can see that you can set your custom failed and success text message notice, and here you can select success message type. Just click the drop down and select Divi layout. Now you need to make sure that you have a Divi layout created. Now if I just hop back here on this tab, I'm in my Divi library, and here you can see that I have a success message layout created and it is saved to my library already. So make sure that you have that first. Hopping back onto my form settings, I'm going to go and select this success notice overview layout that I created before. And then all I need to do is go ahead and save that, update the page, and then go hop back in on the front end. And right here, now if I type in my name, and do I like bananas? Yeah, I sure do. Submit that page and bam, there you have a custom success message notice that you can put on your page. Now, just to show you guys a couple more things here in the notices is that, of course, you can go ahead and hide the form after a successful submission. So it'll hide the actual form. You can put a custom failed message if something goes wrong. It's a lot of different stuff you can do in Divi Form Builder in regards to how you communicate information to your customers. This is a great way to maybe communicate next steps, give a little extra information if something doesn't go right. Tons of stuff that you can do with this. It's really a great feature. The more information you give your customers, you empower them. So that is good stuff. So guys, if you already know Divi Form Builder but didn't know about this feature, you're welcome. I am very happy to be able to help you guys fully utilize that investment. But if you're new to Divi Form Builder and you just stumbled across this video, guys, check it out. There's a link in the description and maybe even a little discount for you if you decide to buy Divi Form Builder. So guys, this was Roby with the Divi Engine team. I'm going to be catching you guys in the next video. Bye for now.